See how to force restart iPhone 12 Pro. If your phone is frozen and unresponsive to touch, you need to restart it. To restart iPhone 12 Pro, you need to use the correct combination of buttons. You press the buttons one by one. First you press the up volume button, then the bottom volume button. Finally, you press and hold the power button. Let's do this. Up, down, and hold the power button. Do not release the button until the Apple logo appears. OK, now you can release the button. Wait for the phone to start up. You can appreciate my work by leaving a comment and a thumbs up. Thank you. Phew, the phone restarted. You can now use it again. I encourage you to subscribe if you want to learn about your phone's secret features and useful tricks. Thank you for watching and I hope see you next time. Hey.